Changing the default settings in Google Docs is an important strategy. So many students need something other than the default font size 11 and the typical line spacing of 1.15. This will be a huge time saver for students, and students can determine which font size, font type, and spacing between lines is best for them. It is important to remember that the younger the student, the larger the font size should be. Elementary students should work with font sizes between 12 and 14 point. Some will prefer font sizes as large as 16 to 18 point font. It's important to include the student in these decisions. The default line spacing in a Google Doc is 1.15. Changing the amount of white space between lines changes the visual presentation and aids in editing and visual tracking of the text for reading. Once you have worked with your student and selected the desired font size, font type, and line spacing, you can go to Format, Paragraph Styles, Normal Text, then select Update Normal Text to Match. You're now going to repeat this by going back to Format, Paragraph Styles, and now scroll down to Options and then select Save as My Default Styles. Now every time your student opens a Google Doc, they will have their desired settings. This is a significant time saver, and typically most students will not bother to change the default settings. They will continue to work with 11-point font and 1.15 line spacing, even if it's not optimal. Now if I open a new Google Doc, my desired line spacing, font style, and font size will automatically be set, and I'm ready to go.